आम्ही कितलेशे तेंप आयकताले CAA जो सिटीजन अमेंडमेंट एक्ट ह्या बद्दल आयकताले आनी आयज गोंयान एक अशें आसा जोसफ परेरा म्हणून कांसावलेचे तांकां हो CAA सर्टिफिकेट आयज मेळटा. तेंची नॅशनॅलिटी आशिल्ली पाकिस्तानी पूण ते बेजिकली ते गोंयचे आशिल्ले. तांकां शिक्षणा खातीर ते मागीर पाकिस्तानान गेले आनी तांकां अजुनूय सिटीजनशीप मेळो नाशिल्ली आनी आयज CAA अंडर तांकां हांगासर CAA सर्टिफिकेट मेळ्ळा. आमी तेंचे कडेन उलोवप जालें. तेंच्यांनी म्हणलें आपूण 11 वर्सां फाटीं अप्लाय केल्ले आनी आयज तांकां खंय तरी हे जे CAA सर्टिफिकेट आहा ते मेळटा. ते म्हणटा तेंच्यांनी चिंतूं सुद्दां नाशिल्लें की केन्ना तरी तांकां इंडियेची सिटीजनशीप मेळटली.
I'm very thankful from His Excellency Modi and His Excellency Amit Shah to bringing this CAA, and I'm grateful for all this government official that to process my citizenship. I'm very grateful. I'm very happy. Well, I had applied CAA a long time back, 11 years back. It was not in getting processed. And ultimately this has come CAA, which I got it very fast, first track.
So even you have to face some difficulties because you are not a citizen of India. So
Yeah, I have to apply so my visa every time, every 2 years I have to apply. FRO was granting me a visa, which is for 2 years, and then I have to go again back to them, run this poll to that poll. All the inquiries I have to finish.
we just spoke to your wife. She was like, you were always saying that you will die without the citizenship of
That's
India.
right, that's right. I was praying. My whole day and night was concentrating on this subject only. I had a lot of files which other day I cleared. I also look at the files. I said, when I'm going to get my citizenship? I really sent prayers to online ministry to give me my citizenship.
Okay, so do you think it is too late that you got the citizenship because
You know,
almost 11 years?
11 years, I felt that I went through. I want to get it much faster because I was born in Goa. I was everything is, my parents was in Goa, my wife is Goa. So I don't know how long, why it took so long, but I'm grateful now that I got it.
So what difference it will make to your life after getting the CA?
I'm going the difference is vast. As I am born, I got to real freedom. I'm now free to go anywhere. Even I have to go to Delhi I have to take permission from FRO. Now I can go just to take my ticket and travel.
Okay, so you must be having neighbors. Like, what was their attitude towards you, unless and until you got the
Yeah, I was there. My neighbors, they knew that I was Pakistani and all. I used to come to visit my family. They was concerned about me. Where are you going to get your citizenship and all that? Yeah.
Okay. Forget about any other nation, but you were Pakistani citizenship. So, how difficult it was for you to be in India?
No, difficulty means I used to take a special visa, which I had to go approach to Indian embassy in Bahrain. They used to give visa, which is I had to produce certain letters from my wife that I am coming to visit them and all that. And that used to issue.
त्यांच्या जेन्ना घरकान्नी कडेन आमचे उलोवप जालें तेन्ना तेंच्या घरकान्नीन म्हणलें की जे जोसफ आहा ते आपल्याक सदांच सांगताले की आपल्याक मरसर तरी ही सिटीजनशीप मेळटली अशें दिसना. पूण आयचो तो दीस आसा ज्या दिसा जे जोसफ परेरा आसा कांसावलीचे तांकां CAA एक्टा अंडर जी सिटीजनशीप आसा देशाची ती तांकां मेळ्ळ्या.
Yeah, I'm very pleased and very thankful to the central government and the state government. After so many years, we had been struggling almost for 40 years. At last, our dreams are fulfilled, and now we can live in peace.
What difficulties you have to face because
We had to give a report to the FRO every now and then, or the police used to come at home to check on him. So there were a lot of difficulties. Even applying for this citizenship, not under this act, but again and again.
you finally got a citizenship?
I cannot believe it because we got it within a very short period of about 1.5 months.
But does it feel like it is too late to get that citizenship?
Still, he always thought he will die without seeing it, but better late than never.
Thank you.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.